Jay, speaking of that heavy rain brings us a risk of flooding as well as those mudslides in the mountain areas near recent wildfires.
As our Justin Seisha reports, the situation is being closely watched.
Half an inch of rain brought some minor flooding to Fresno this weekend. Several times this amount is on the way later this week.
Our system's designed to handle about a ½ inch an hour of rainfall.
Flood Control District Interim General Manager Peter Sanchez says there's plenty of room in area flooding basins.
The trees still have a whole lot of leaves on them, so the blocking of inlets is always an issue.
The weather brings an added danger to mountain areas near recent wildfires.
We're looking at potential landslides or rock slides or debris flow.
Fresno County Office of Emergency Services Director Dan Lynch says the risk is not high, but not low either.
It's moderate only because it's a large amount of rain that may come over a long period of time. And that's less concerning. And the other part is if it comes down in the form of snow, then that again is less concerning.
In the wake of the Creek Fire, the office formed a storm readiness group of experts and county agencies. They're not only considering the immediate threat of things like landslides, but subsequent impacts down the line.
We will be considering whether or not we, are going to allow a large population of people to go up there with the consideration that if we somehow lose 168 to some sort of a blockage, that we won't be able to get people out.
Our role at the sheriff's office is to knock on the doors and tell you to evacuate.
A winter weather map at fresnosheriff.org shows the latest emergency updates, including evacuation notices. Right now, the map shows the risk for debris or mud flows in every affected area.
Put in your address, see what the situation looks like for you.
Justin Seisha, KC24, local news that matters.